Ever wondered why everyone's talking about Neon Bank? It seems like everywhere you turn, someone's mentioning them, whether it's on social media, in casual conversations, or even in those targeted ads that seem to know you a little too well. So, what's the deal? What makes Neon Bank so popular? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now, before we get started, I want to make it clear that this isn't a sponsored video. I'm genuinely curious about this phenomenon, and I figured you might be too. We're going to explore the different factors contributing to Neon Bank's rise in popularity, looking at everything from their features and user experience to their marketing strategies and overall brand image. First things first, let's talk about accessibility. Traditional banking can often feel like navigating a maze of paperwork, long queues, and confusing jargon. Neon Bank, like many digital banks, aims to simplify this process. They emphasize a user-friendly mobile app, allowing you to open an account, manage your finances, and even access customer support from the comfort of your own phone. This convenience is a huge draw, especially for younger generations who are accustomed to managing their lives digitally. Think about it, no more rushing to the bank during limited business hours. Neon Bank offers 24/7 access, putting you in control of your money whenever and wherever you need it. Another key factor is their focus on specific demographics. Neon Bank has successfully targeted younger audiences and tech-savvy individuals. Their marketing campaigns often feature vibrant visuals, relatable scenarios, and a modern tone that resonates with this demographic. They've positioned themselves as a fresh, innovative alternative to traditional banks, appealing to those who are looking for a more personalized and flexible banking experience. This targeted approach has allowed them to build a strong brand identity and cultivate a loyal customer base. Now, let's talk about features. While the specifics may vary depending on the region and the services they offer, many digital banks like Neon often emphasize features like low or no fees, budgeting tools, and even cashback rewards. These perks can be incredibly attractive, especially when compared to the sometimes hidden fees and charges associated with traditional banking. Who doesn't love saving money on fees or getting a little something back for their spending? These features contribute to the perception of value and make Neon Bank a competitive option in the financial landscape. Beyond the practical aspects, there's also the element of community and social proof. Seeing friends and family members using and recommending Neon Bank creates a sense of trust and encourages others to jump on board. Social media plays a huge role in this. Positive reviews, testimonials, and even influencer marketing can amplify the bank's message and create a buzz around the brand. This word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful and can significantly contribute to a bank's popularity. Of course, no bank is perfect, and it's essential to do your own research before making any financial decisions. While Neon Bank has experienced significant growth and popularity, it's crucial to consider your individual needs and circumstances. Read the fine print, understand the terms and conditions, and compare different options before choosing a bank. Don't just follow the hype blindly. So, to recap, Neon Bank's popularity can be attributed to a combination of factors: accessibility through their mobile app, a targeted marketing strategy aimed at specific demographics, attractive features like low fees and rewards, and the power of social proof and community endorsement. They've tapped into a desire for more convenient, user-friendly, and modern banking solutions, and that's clearly resonated with a large audience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.